most people fail to achieve their goals. Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk Nova, another episode of Talk Nova. Today let's talk about an important topic, why most people fail to achieve their goals. Many people have big dreams, they want to speak fluent, they get a dream job, they want to become a successful businessman, but only few people get good jobs and achieve their goals in really an actual manner. Why does this happen? The first reason is lack of consistency. People start with a lot of excitement, courage. They study a lot. They did a lot of things in initial days. For a few days, then they stop. Success does not come from motivation single, it comes from your daily action, your habit. The second reason is the foremost reason, the fear of failure. Many people are afraid of making mistake. They think if I will do mistake what others say. Because of this fear they never try. They never try to come out the comfort zone. Remember, every successful person wants a beginner in our life. So think in your mind. The third and foremost reason is procrastination. I also do the procrastination a lot. I will do tomorrow. I will do tomorrow. So people say I will start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. The best time is start is today. If you want to learn English, if you think I will do tomorrow, I will learn this language tomorrow, tomorrow never comes until unless you start your journey. The fourth reason is giving up too early. Success takes time. A seed does not become a tree in one day. In the same way, your hard work will pay off after some times. Also, many people think I started learning English and in just 3 months I learned this language and I speak fluently. No, it's not possible. Your work pay off when you do hard work consistently, continuously. Other than that, it's not possible to achieve anything in just one night or 3 months. Many people think like that. So, what should you do? Be consistent. At least, if I talk about my journey, how I started my English learning journey, so yeah, that's true. Be consistent with your journey. Whatever you are doing, try to be consistent at least for 30 minutes, but do your practice every day, no matter what. Take small steps every day, whether it's learning a language, whether it's a yoga, meditation, any habits, whatever you want to become, you have to step out of your comfort zone, broaden your horizon to learn something new, to build a new habits. Every start start reading a book. Every day read one page, one action, one step. And gradually and simultaneously you will become more fluent, you will more become confident while following. Learn from your mistake. Mistake is a part of learning. We cannot deny these things. So don't think in your mind, if you do the mistake, think in your mind, I am learning something new today. Today I learned something new. Believe in yourself. Believing in yourself is most important thing. If you don't believe yourself, how can you believe on others? Believing yourself is most important key. Never give up. Many people come to the full of excitement, courage. I will learn English somehow. I will learn English. But after some period of time, they will feel monotonous and they give up. Lastly, they give up. It's not like that. It takes a time. Good thing takes a time to improve. If you want to really improve your English, you have to put your heart and soul, devoted your 2 to 3 hours to learning this language. Remember this, small progress is still progress. If you work on your goals every day, even just a 30 minute or 1 hour, you will be much closer to your success than somebody only talks about the goal every day. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video will helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.